First off, let me just start by saying this job was a pain in the ass. That's for a few different reasons. One of them being that, well, it was a big tree. Two being, I went there the day before. The guy in that Echo shirt right there, Preston, was using the chainsaw. Chainsaw broke. A cheap piece of shit. I was trying to get something cheap, not spend a bunch of money. Because that's what I do. I don't get equipment until the day of the job, and I use that money for it. Well, the chainsaw broke, had to come back the next day. Got another chainsaw. It was a Ryobi. Everything I've gotten with Ryobi so far has been a piece of shit, so I don't know why I got another one. They just suck. They're garbage. They break easy. They don't work right. And they're just cheap. Now, another thing is I fucked up. I underquoted it. I literally thought this 30-foot something tree would only take me 2 hours when I honestly really don't have that much experience in dealing with trees. So then I didn't make the profit I wanted. I was there like 6 hours, thought it was going to take 2. I had to come back a second day, and that's what happens. Keith Kelper says it a lot in his videos. You think something take 1 day, it ends up taking 2. You think it takes 3, it takes 5. So, learn from my experiences, and don't try not to, because I didn't even go to this job to quote it. I just did it by looking at a picture. And you know, pictures you can't really see it for what it really is. The length and what the size really is. So, yeah, I fucked up on that. And YouTube's probably gonna ding me for saying that so many times, but it is what it is. What else? Okay, so we dropped the tree and we started cutting them up into logs. We dropped like the whole tree, boom. Let me see, so we dropped the tree, started cutting everything up into logs. When in reality, if I had like all the equipment I needed, if I had a grinder to shred all that tree up, or if I had a bigger trailer at the time, because that little trailer you see right now is all I had, then it probably would have went a little faster. Putting him on blast too, he could have moved a lot faster. What else? Chainsaw that day again, it stopped working. It like, I don't know what happened. The chain just went out of order, stopped working, stopped cutting. A month later, I actually ended up bringing that chainsaw back, got the money for it. Right there in that video, I was just rambling about how I fucked up on the price. And yes, I said it again, fucked up on the price. Okay, so tips. Tips would be, number 1, don't go cheap, because it ain't worth it. I went cheap twice on a snowblower and like 3 times. On a snowblower, on a leaf blower, and then on a chainsaw, and they all broke. One was broke when I got it. So, don't go cheap. Quote the shit right. Actually, go there with your own eyes. See it for what it is. Fucking take everything into account. Check it again. Check your list twice. And don't just say this is what it is. Be certain that's what it is. Okay? Alright, well, Um, I guess the video went upside down, and my skills ain't that good to fix it. What about you? Can you fix it, Olivia?
No, I have to mess with it.
That's my wife. Well, anyways, enjoy me looking at my back when I'm working. And that's it. Like and subscribe. I got better videos than this. This is just short video, whatever. So, peace.